Drop it.
And what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Do I sound okay? The Gamer, what's up? Bill, what's up? Dawn, what's up? The Boring Trader, good morning. Gary, good morning. DC Fan for Life, good morning. How is everybody doing? Anthony, thank you for confirming the sound check. Currently in a trade right now. It was really, this was a textbook trade 1348 setup. So let me go ahead and do this with you guys. First off, you see currently up 3,000 and change. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to probably hold on to my position. Okay, so let me just explain this setup really quick. Okay, guys. First, we got a pre-market here, trade design, right? And we had our CPI print, and you guys saw that CPI print. A lot of indecision. It was pretty crazy. Okay, and so then we see the trade design, and I see how we get confluence with all things. Now, I was hoping for a bigger market open move. So this was slightly a gamble, but as it stands right now, guys, yeah, gonna have to close that position. Now, I'm not taking a loss on that. Okay, now I was up significantly. I should have taken profit, right? And this is the problem with showcasing trading strategies on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers will do it for entertainment purposes, right? And of course, you guys want to go ahead and see the big gains. So, most YouTubers would go ahead and take unnecessary risk, right? And me, no, I don't work that way, right? I did have my trade. I had my setup there. Just didn't work out, okay? And I just managed to take my profit. Again, I told you guys yesterday, in the stream yesterday, once I see something I don't like, I close my trade. I don't negotiate with it. Guys, trading is a lot like a relationship, right? You're like 100% in love with her, right? And like, that's your mind. You're in love with her. You're holding on to her, etc., etc. But then you realize you're getting pounded by somebody else. And those are facts. Well, you have to accept facts in trading. These are facts, okay? When the trade is going against you, you have to let it go. And you just have to accept it, okay? Otherwise, what ends up happening is you end up getting hurt, all right? So that's that. We're going to go ahead and see if we find some other trading opportunities. We did hit basically a high up here. This, you got a lot of risk here in this box. Holy hell. Let's go ahead and see how much risk is there. That's 65 points of risk. Jesus, 65 points of risk. Even one M&Q. Okay, so we got a trade design down. Interesting, you got the 200 there. I'll go ahead and just take it. We'll take it. It's a trade design down, 200 there. We have trend thrust giving us a red print. I'm going to hold to see if our RSI strength indicator gives us a print. And we're just going to see how this works. No, don't like it, close it. That's it. Really that simple, guys. I didn't like it. Just did not like it. Okay? Yeah. And so I'm not going to sit there and just like, oh, yeah, I'm going to hold on to this to see if it goes my way. I don't like it. And I then situate myself for a better trade. Of course, I size small. It is 9:35. Typically, we wait till 9:45 in the market. But since, again, it's a CPI print, figured we have fun, right? And so, let's see. Let's see. Also, I'm going to be giving some shout outs later to some of my students. Wow. Also, Arvin, if you're watching, good stuff, man. Arvin's really, really, really come a long way. And yeah, just he's really, really come a long way. Let's see, guys. Any tickers you want to look at? We could get this show going. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's get this show going. MYM. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at MYM. Also, guys, I'm really looking at this, and oh man, we just didn't get the print. All right, this is a great example of patience. Okay, this is a great example of patience where we sort of kind of like just jumped the gun, even though we had Trentos giving us red. We didn't have strength giving us printing a red, right? We didn't have confluence through the indicators. Most importantly, we did not break below super trend. So this was a high risk trade, right? Especially with the 200 being there and being biased to the 200. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. Let's see what's happening on the 15. What is our trend on the 15? Well, the trend on the 15 is to the upside. So we have a general direction on that trend. I see here we got MYM. All right, want to check out MYM. That's fine. Let's see here. All right, MYM looking like it's taking off, right? We do have a trade design here, right? Do we have confluences? Not quite yet. We have, we're waiting on Trentos to give us a confluence here. But we do have an entry. We have an entry. And we do have levels here. Be mindful of a level. There is a level at 39,942. That is a level, okay? I like to respect all lines on the chart, guys. I like to respect all lines on the chart. 100%, okay? So, yeah. Let's definitely consider all lines on the chart. Let's see, ES. Let's check out ES. Yeah, ES looks like it wants to make a little bit of a recovery here. No, it does not. No, it does not. Guys, we got consolidation here with price action. Looks to be supported by the previous super trend level here. Yeah, I'm not really convinced. Not really convinced here that, yeah, not really convinced just yet. We need to get a break below the 200, below the 200 here to be biased to going short or a put, right? We see super trend giving us a red signal, but we don't have full confluence. It's just, guys, ooh, you know what? It just might be a flat day, huh? You know, the market made its move. The market's digesting what's going on. We have to trade what we see, right? And what we're seeing right now is consolidation. It looks like it is not ready, okay? That's what it looks like. So let's stay put. I mean, it is only 9:39. You guys remember how we talk about where you let the market choose the direction and we play the correction. It's one of the reasons and one of the advantages of waiting until 9:45. The market tends to show its hand. How many times you guys seen this? How many times you've seen this on the chart where the market opens? It opens, it comes down, finds a level, then takes off. Or it runs up, hits resistance, and then trends down the whole day. We have to wait for the market to show that hand. And sometimes it just consolidates. By the way, Black Betty. Yeah, good job, brother. Good job. I'll be going over some stats from individuals who do Longevity Club with me. Oh my God. Guys, look at, there's no better compliment to the teacher than a student's success, right? And no better, look at, I could show you guys, I could trade my ass off, because I trade my ass off. I'll trade anybody on YouTube, period. But to be able to see my students do the same thing, man, oh man, that feels good. That feels good. So we'll be going through some of the student highlights, and there's quite a few of them who are just killing it in the month of August. Keep it up. Keep up the good work, guys. All right, so again, consolidation for now, it seems. Maybe. Maybe. Just consolidation for now. Okay. Anything else? Let's look up M&Q. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, looks like it's doing the same thing. Looks like it's doing the same thing. Will it break the 200, guys? This is the moment of truth where we see if price breaks the 200. That will be the moment of truth here, right? But right now we don't have multiple confluences or full confluences in the market. We have price action trending down with support at the 200, right? And you have super trend here. Now we're developing some confluences with the exception of the 200 and the exception of super trend. So yeah, this is interesting, guys. GC, okay. Gold futures. You know, when the market goes down, gold goes up, right? And it looks like we got a close on our ribbon here. Should we break tighten to the upside, then I could say, hey, yeah, we're rocking and rolling. But for the meantime, everything just points to south, and maybe this is where you take profit. I wouldn't chase this south, and I probably won't chase this north until, once again, I get my confluences. Now, one of the major confluences is going to be this line right here, which is your Titan XL. That's right there. That's going to be one of the major confluences. And I'm just going to sit there and wait, right? Let's see. Yeah, and then right from there, guys, we have the 200 right above it, which also happens to be sitting on a super trend level. So I think it's just hands off. Do not try to front run this to the upside. If you were in this play, I see this right here. It's telling me, get out. Just get out. If you're profitable, secure that bag. That's simple. The trade design put you in this trade. It got you in at 8:25 in the morning and helped you print all the way till 9:30. Yeah, the system did its job already. All right, guys, listen, we're not limited to futures instruments. We could throw out stocks, whatever you want to throw out there. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what we got. MNQ going down. Well, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Let's see. Jesse. How's it going? Let's go back to MNQ here and see exactly what's happening here with MNQ. Alright, guys. That's a big go fuck your mother candle. Made courtesy of what? The trade design, right? And it's about patience and just really, trusting your system. But we have multiple confluences here. So this is telling me that there's strength in this move. You still, oh my God, where are we going? Oh, there's a level down here, guys. This wick touched it already. There's a level down here at 1914. I'm going to go ahead and mark that level. Now, if you were in this trade and you just, your butthole was puckered the whole time while you were holding, now is the chance to bring your stop down and protect your profit, okay? Bring your stop down to maybe right there at or about the 200, right? If it stops you out, it stops you out. That's great, but you secure the bag. You secure the bag for how many points? I mean, that's going to be 21 points, 23 points. Hey, that's $500 on one MNQ contract. So, yeah, there you go. You see? Come on, guys. You get a big, aggressive FU candle. You have to expect the retracement. And, of course, we have a rule here, guys, to respect super trend and the bounce off of super trend, okay? So, there you have it. Anything else? Come on, guys. Let's throw these tickers out there. Now, I wanted this to be sort of kind of like a study hall, but I can't make it a study hall because study hall is tomorrow. Make sure you guys sign up for study hall if you want live real time, you know, like by the millisecond trade entries and buy sell signals. All right. Otherwise, for those who are sitting in the back and watching me, just tuning in, wondering who the hell I am, make sure you check out trade1348.com, download the app, and yeah, use our indicators for free initially, okay? So yeah, we're just hanging out here, man. Nothing really going on. Nothing too crazy. Hot potato. Hot potato. Hot potato. You there? Hot potato. Are you there? I hope he is. I hope he is. Some really, really, really good news. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Let's check out. You guys already know the drill. You guys know what's up. You guys ready? You guys ready for it?
Envidia.
Let's go ahead and check out NVIDIA. Oh, man. Here we go. Bots, bots, bots. Oh, God. Okay, so we got NVIDIA doing the bouncy thing, right? Again, market open, got you into the trade, gave you more than you deserve as it broke below the 200. Just really gave you more than you deserve. And then again, guys, after aggressive candles, you do have to expect a retrace. And that's what we got here. Retrace at the 200. You're going to see this time and time again. That's just the nature of things, right? Let's go ahead and look at AMC. How is AMC doing? I'm sorry if you're still butthurt about AMC. But hey, it's a tradable stock. The sooner you realize that, the better. You should have listened to me 2.5, 3 years ago when I showed you that was the case. Nobody wanted to listen to me, right? Because they're diamond handing. Diamond handing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, diamond handing. Nuts in your mouth. Oh, boy. Here we go. AMC. That hurts. Trading at $5. Let's go ahead and look at GME. And GME faring a little better. Yeah. Oh, I mean, 22. You guys remember the rally? Remember the rally? Doesn't that hurt? Right? Oh, right, Kitty came to save Jimmy. Yeah, come on, man. He just pumped it. Everybody ran into it, and they were his exit liquidity. And then what does he do? He goes ahead and takes all that money and jumps into Chewy so he could get a seat at the board. Oh, my God. Who got played? Adam Aaron played the apes. Aurora Kitty? Yeah. All right. I'll never, guys, there's one thing about me. I would never put myself in an advantageous position like that. I would never use my platform for that. Why? Because I'm a trader. I make my money trading. I'm a trader. For real, for real. Anyways. All right, guys. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Let's see what the Apple's doing. Hey, what's Apple doing? Apple, you guys, trading options here. The system works really well with options too. So we had a trade design down market, found our level down here. It bounced off of a super trend, which also coexisted with a level. And then we bounced, and then, yeah, you get the bounce, and you get the rejection at a level, which also coexisted with super trend here. This is wild. This is a whole lot of fun. And then now we get trade design down, right? And it just looks like consolidation until we break a level, okay, guys? So don't just jump in and open up an options contract for the sake of it. Do you guys see super trend right here? Excuse me, trend thrust? I want you guys to look at trend thrust. That is consolidation. These long-ass wicks with very small candle bodies. Guys, that's consolidation. That's consolidation. This is consolidation, right? longer wicks than bodies. Consolidation. There's no money to be had here. This is why I can't stand you guys trading after hours. There's no money to be had there. Look at this. Consolidation. Trend Trust is going to help you identify consolidation and keep you out of trades that burn your premium. Oops, oops. Burn your premium. We don't want to burn your premium, right? We want to make money. And we don't want to hold on to something that isn't real. Because remember, we're holding on to something that isn't real and she's getting smashed. It's just not real. Okay? So let's go ahead and move it along. Any other chickers? Any other chickers, guys? Throw them out there. I hope you're learning. You add wicks simply by changing the color and style, and you change the wick color to white, and then the wicks will show more. Previous, they were black, but white just stands out better. Deciding to let ads run so channel gets paid. What's that? Thank you. Let's see. What are we doing? Let's see. Another ticker, guys. You guys aren't helping me along at all. They're just like all caught up in your trades. Like, get chopped up, get chopped up. Oh no, oh no. Oh man. Oh jeez. Yeah, there's nothing to do. TM King Louis wants TM. Okay. Toyota. Oh, okay. I mean, we have some daily action here. Was there any? Oh, was there any? Damn. Okay. Is there any news? Jeez. Okay. Toyota got wrecked here. Was there any news? Oh, Danny, you're trying to log into your prop firm? What happened there? Okay, let's check out what's happening here on the 5. Pretty aggressive here. Consolidating here on a 5 with M&Q. But, damn. The system works, right? Guys, we were talking about this level here, guys, at 1914, right? Keep that in mind. Do you recommend turning off the orb? Yes, I do, Kevin. Turn that off. Turn off the orb. It's my funded traders, eval pass, and it's still in limbo or something. Yeah, that sucks, man. That really sucks. Sorry, brother. That really sucks. Anyways, we got price action coming down to that price there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, nice. We got that level there. Nice. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. All right. Tyler, good morning. In and out on that ES trade. Up 1.8%. Tyler using that trade cam sauce, man. You hit that 1% yesterday, and now you're doing 1.8%. Guys, the last trade camp in Orlando was Friday. I start touring. I'm hitting up Hawaii. I'm hitting up New York, Chicago, LA. After that, I'm going to Houston. Then I'm taking my talents to South Beach, baby. I'll see you guys down there for all the Southerners and BBL Queen lovers, and yeah. And then yeah, this is gonna be fun. And then I'm making my way to Europe. So I'll see you guys on the other side of the pond. All right. Okay. Bring a bulletproof vest when it come to Chicago, bro. Wow, man. I love Chicago, man. Chicago doesn't scare me at all. I'm used to it, right? Just stay away from south of Cermak. I mean, yeah. And I lived in Forest Park. Someone say, "Oh, Gabe, that's not really Chicago," but I would ride my bike straight down Madison Avenue. Okay, that was fun. Portland or Seattle? It's pretty close to Vancouver, Canada. I'll consider it. I'll consider it. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. Um, but yeah, for my schedule, I really want to be able to get on over to Europe. There's been a lot of requests for me to get on over to Europe and do a trade camp in uh, Europe. I have to, guys. You want me like just tour for the sake of touring? I have to go where we have a high concentration of students who are willing, to have me there. I live in Florida now. Anyways, we have that level. Got kissed, baby. Yes, yes. We got kissed, man. This system just works. It works. It works. Does it not work? It works. It works. It works. Or they bring their friends to see some real magic. Exactly. Hot potato. Actually, hot potato. Do we have a tally today? Florida ain't so bad. Florida ain't so bad. Hot potato, we did it. My man. Wow. A 3-year journey. Hot Potato has managed to do it, a 3-year journey. Guys, Hot Potato and I will do a live stream later talking about his journey. It is very surreal. It is surreal. And what he's been able to accomplish, and for me, once again, such a compliment in him being a student and being able to truly just alter the trajectory in his life. Also, with that being said, I guess we can segue into some of you other guys here, and I got proof, ample proof. I love it. Let's see. I'll show you guys. All right. So, you guys want to see? All right. I'm gonna throw out names. If you're in the chat and you don't mind me showing your stats, I'll go ahead and show it. Okay. So Ari de Armas, killing it. I know he was buying a house, so he might be busy. Alexis Montio, killing it. Tony Dibby, killing it. Romeo Dixon, killing it. This is all this month. These are students who you see it. You see it in their performance. And this is why we have a trade seller. So I'm able to track, give you input, meet you on one-on-ones, right? So Romeo killing it. Julian Slater. Julian Slater, where the fuck are you, sir? Oh my God. Did Julian killing it. And then this man was on the verge of just like, it's incredible. Gerardo Castillo, sorry, I'm not Hispanic enough. Just butchered your last name. Right, you, absolutely killing it. Richard, doing it. Richard finally doing it. Richard, you finally doing it, man. You finally gave up on those mortgages in Atlanta. And when I talk about mortgages in Atlanta, guys, I'm talking about very large women. They're big, like fucking mortgages. We have Alan Brusso. Alan, way to go, man. Paul Lewis, man. That guy's rock solid. We also got Gary Yonik. We had a one-on-one yesterday. We were talking about your performance. It was killing it. He's steady. He's patient. Also, Richard. Yeah, I saw that you converted to MNQ. Yeah, uh-huh. And then we got Justin Fox. And Justin Fox, he's right there, right? He's right there. He's making lots of improvements. He just has a problem with consistency. Emotional consistency. Okay, so good job to him, though. Absolutely killing it as well. Yeah, the market's really, really quiet. We go back, we could see we got a level bounce here. Look at that. Look at the level bounce here. Uh, I want to get in. You want to get in? Get in with? No, bro. I don't go that way. We're not getting nothing in. Jesus. Uh, oh, man. So, congratulations to you guys, man. Absolutely killing it. Um, yeah. And then, yeah. Oh, Moon Boy as well. Moon Boy. Moon Boy. How did I? Moon Boy freaking just destroying prop firms right now. Moon Boy just like oh man. Yeah, it's sad. We can work something out. Um yeah, Moon Boy is just like yeah, give a shout out to Moon Boy. I'm not one to share in conversations that I have in private with him. But guys, if you understood what that man is going through right now, you'd be broken down to tears. I want to give this man a hug, like honestly. You know, we do our one-on-ones, and sometimes, man, I hear this man, I get off, and I'm like, oh man, you know, it weighs on me as well. Yeah, guys, Moon Boy, he's a real MVP, fucking real MVP. Keep on, brother, keep on. All right, so, hey, Gary, I mean, since you're here, you want me to share your stats? I could share your stats, Gary, and anybody else who's on the stream here. I could show your stats. Let's see. All right, Gary, thank you. Guys, I want to show you what Gary's doing. Gary's doing really, really, really well. Uh, well, I like what he's doing. Um, I like what he's doing. So, guys, uh, Steven Carras says finger. Finger? You want to get fingered? I like my manicure. Okay, so Gary, 76% winner with our system. Profit factor 3.13. 85% win. Here we're working on his risk to reward, which is really close to a 1-to-1, but we'll get there. What I like is his upward trajectory. And you guys see here, really steady with it. One trade, two trades, one. That's a loser. That's fine. Rebounds the next day. What is really well, what I like about what he did on this trading day on the 7th is he took the trade, he took the loss, and he didn't try to get it back. No revenge trading. Recollected himself, came back the next day, of course, made the money back. 3 trades on a Friday, 2 trades on a Monday. Now, I want to talk about this, right? Because a lot of traders, they have this mindset that the more trades I make, the more money I'm going to make. And no, it's the more exposed to risk you are. Okay, so the least amount of trades you take, the better. Also, when we look at his numbers are consistent with having a $10,000 port or 1% return per day. Okay? All right. 1% per day. So that's what that is relative to. There are going to be guys that are like, how I made 70, 80, 90,000. Yes, there are YouTubers who may or may not be talented traders. I mean, you guys have heard me. I've done it. $1 million in a day, 1.4 million in a week. You guys have seen me do it over and over and over and over again. So, I mean, for those in the Discord, you've seen me do it. But it's when it's relative to my port size, guys, that's really only like a 3x or 4x, right? It's that's all that is. So, just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. When you see those ginormous numbers, just keep that in mind. We're all trading the same system, and we have students who are having absolutely phenomenal results. Also, I mean, I'm sort of proud of this. But even Arvin, who, like Arvin, I love you, man. Good stuff, dude. You've come a long way. We have yeah, quite a few of you guys, man. I am so honored, so honored. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back to the charts here. Let's get out of here. All right. Back to the level there. Are we gonna get a break here with MNQ? Are we gonna get that break? Oh my God! Yesterday was a slow melt up. Is this a slow meltdown? Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Jeez. Jeez. Interesting. All right. Let's go ahead and look at FNGR. Oh, no, we don't do that here, sir. Steve, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We don't do that here. We don't do bullshit stocks. We're big boys. Maybe you're brand new to trading. Cool, right? And if you are, let me give you the advice. Don't trade bullshit like this. Don't do that. What is this? Don't do that. Right? Cut your learning curve in half and stay the fuck away from pennies and garbage stocks. Let's go ahead and look at the daily and what this looks like on the daily. And yeah, I mean, if you want to short it, I mean, we got you in way back when in May, right? And it has since dropped over 50% in value. And you know what? We were there for it. We were also there for the rally up. And this is on a daily, guys. Oh my, never mind. I'm not doing this. This is dumb. This is dumb. Let's go ahead and look at ES. Sir, save yourself. Don't do it. I don't care what alerts Discord or community gave you this garbage, but save your money. There's a reason why it looks like crap and trades like crap, man. So let's look at ES here on the 5-minute, guys. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, guys, ES here doing pretty much the same thing, right? We have consolidation at this level here. We saw that with MNQ. Consolidation at this level, and we're right at the 200. This is interesting. This is just really boring and painful to watch. It's interesting. I would have to say that if we get the candle break above our band here is when we start looking bullish right there. And then of course we have our qualifiers on a break of Excel. Then we have to, break a level. We got the super trend up here. So looks like it's holding on to that 200 right there. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, we got that level right there too. It's literally pinned inside this level, guys. Let's zoom in a little more. Let's really look at this. Right, when we draw this trend line here, you see it got the 200 and then it got this level and it was pinned. It really had nowhere to go because for it to reverse, it has to break. It has to break here. It has to break the trend line. Why can't I draw? Trend line here has to break up there. So it's literally pinched right there, right? You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of EMA sandwiches, okay? So, no, just be patient. The general trend is down. There's no reason for us to be contrarians. The general trend is down. So it is what it is. Yeah. Any other? Oh my God! Any other tickers? This is fun. Any other tickers, guys? MYM nipple. Yeah, because that's a thing. MYM. Let's see what we have here. MYM. Yeah, and Q deciding a fast meltdown. Sure is. All right. Let's see. MIM. The general trend is up, guys. I mean, that's just a general trend. You do have a level right here that it's struggling with. So, guys, if it breaks 39942, then you have some room to reach 3996, right? That level up here. So, keep that in mind. Julian Slater. Okay, so would I enter? All right, let's go back to MNQ. Um, if you're gonna be a levels trader, right? If you're gonna be a levels trader, and you're gonna come, you're gonna play the break of this. Just remember, yes, you got your trend right. Now we have to establish our risk. So what we're waiting for is, this is not even a candle close scenario, guys. This is a level break scenario. This is a high risk play, no matter how you cut it. Why? Because when we break this level, immediately, we have to establish it. We have to establish it as our risk, as our stop, right? And who's to say that it doesn't do this at the level? We don't know. That's the thing. We don't know. Uh, who's to say we wait for a break below the level? Below this level, we wait for the break, but then you get the break and a close on a candle close, right? But then you get the bounce back up. It's dangerous. This is why, guys. This is why. Okay. This is why our system is so powerful. And our system, we do our best to guide you, to get you in to the pivot point, right? The ideal pivot point. Otherwise, we're sort of kind of like chasing on. Okay? By the way, Julian, why are you here? Julian. I mentioned your name in the Honors Club. You were doing great this month. I want to brag about you and show your stats, brother. You have done, compared to what you were doing and what you're doing now, after that trade camp. Wow. Good stuff, huh? Good stuff. So, um, yeah. Let's. It's starting to click. Good, good. Starting to click, guys. I'm gonna show. I'm gonna show you Julian's trade camp. Sorry, not trade camp. Longevity club. Right. So let's pull up. Julian's here, and this is sample data. It's garbage data, whatever. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go into mentor mode, and let's look here. Julian Slater, where are you? There you go. Right. Now, guys, I want to highlight his performance for the month here. Right. Let's not look at his overall performance. Let's look at his most recent performance when it started clicking. This is what I want to see because this is what I saw before. That's what I saw before. So being able to see this, Jillian, man, I'm really, really, really happy for you, dude. It's starting to click. Good job, dude. Good job. So yeah. Always room for improvement, but slow. Exactly. Hey guys, you work with me. You understand. It's a slow grind. You're gonna grind with me. It's gonna be slow. I'm not here to, help you get rich quick. I'm here to help you get rich slow. That's how you keep it. Fast money? It ain't no such thing. Ain't no such thing. That money come, money go. Man, that's for the hood. That's where I came from. No, I don't want that. I want to get rich for life. Absolutely. So, Jillian, keep killing it. Tyler, I like that. Not get rich quick, but get rich. Get rich for sure. That's dope. I like that. Black Betty, same thing. Black Betty, I have your stats too, man. I can show your stats too. Like, if you don't want, guys, they're all here in the chat right now, just chatting it up. And for him, when it finally clicked for Black Betty, he just started killing it. Started killing it. I love it. I love to see these wins. It's such an honor and a compliment to me. Fuck how much money I make. Guys, it don't matter. Me showing you how big my dick is. You ain't using it, right? Everybody's like, oh, I made so much money. I made so much money. It's like, all right, are you helping other people make money? That's what I'm all about, man. Just paying it forward. That's it. Tony. Now we got Tony up here. Killing it. Killing it right now. Doing the same thing. Keeping it simple. Trading slow and for sure. 2.48, 1.6 average trade. Like, guys, this is what we do here, man. Right? You want to go ahead and make $1,000, $2,000, then talk to me about your port being 100K. These are people who are going to grind it and develop the skill set, the permanency, the permanent skill set, right? To build wealth whenever, wherever the fuck they want. Like, do you know how liberating and empowering that is? Where I can wake up in the morning and say, I want to make money. Become a literal fucking ATM. It's like, that's what these guys are doing. I love it, man. I love it. So good job, brother. Good job. Good job. All right. All right, boys and girls. I think, David O. Yeah. Fuck yeah, David. Listen. My heart's full. I'm done. It's 10:19. Market doing a whole lot of nothing. I'm not going to tell you guys to jump into a trade that doesn't exist. Remember, right? Do not trade with your heart. Don't trade with your heart. Otherwise, the market's going to fuck you. That's just the way that works. All right, guys. So, I'm done. I have some one-on-ones in the next 40 minutes. Stay tuned in the Discord. We will be dropping dates. Make sure you sign up. I'm only going to have 10 seats per location. Only because I do not want to have to bring a team with me to assist with large groups, all right? So there only will be 10 seats per location. That's just makes it easier for me to manage, all right? So peace out, man. This was fun. Take it easy, guys. Later.